Hello everyone, welcome back to our session on averages. In this video, I'm going to teach you the best trick on averages. Already we covered two videos on basics of averages and we have solved few questions on averages. If you have not watched, please go through that videos and then solve difficult level questions on averages. And guys, remember in this video, I'm going to teach you the best trick on averages, okay, where students used to take more time to solve those questions. I will teach you the best shortcut, and by using that shortcut you can save a lot of time on solving averages questions. Okay, let's see the first question. The average of 36 students in a class is 14 years. When teacher's age is included, the average increases by 1. What is the teacher's age? Now, if you look at this question, here they have given total 36 students are there and their average is 14 years. Total 36 students, average is 14 years. When one person is adding, means here the teacher is adding in the class, now the average is increased by 1. Previously, average is 14 years, now it is 15 years. That's what the meaning of this question, and I hope you understood. Okay, now let me try to explain this by using normal process how the students used to follow, and then I will teach you the best trick that you can save a lot of time and you can get answer within 20 seconds. Okay, so here we know the basic formula. Average is nothing but sum of numbers divided by total number of numbers. Okay, now average of 36 students in a class is 14 years. Already average is given as 14. Now sum of the 36 students, sum of 36 students divided by total, how many students are there? 36. Now you will get the value of sum of 36 students. Okay, you will get the value of sum of 36 students. What is the value of 36 to sum of 36 students? 36 into 14. So what is the value of 36 into 14, which is equals to 504? Now what is this 504? Sum of 36 students age. Okay, now when we look at the second condition, teacher's age is included. Included means adding. Okay, now here 36 students plus one teacher. Now can I say that sum of, by applying the same approach, 36, sum of 36 students plus one teacher. Okay, sum of 36 students plus one teacher, what will be the sum here? Already average is given as initially 14. Now it is increased by 1 when teacher age is added. Now average is nothing but 15 years multiplied with average is 15 years. And can you guess the count? Is that 36? No, initially 36 students plus one teacher. Now the count is 37. What is 15 into 37? Which is equals to 555. Now if you observe these two values, here the sum of 36 students is 504, and here sum of 37 members. Okay, the 37th member is teacher. Okay, now 37 members sum is 555. Now if I subtract sum of 37 members is 555 minus 504, which will give the sum of 37th member. Who is 37th member? 37th member is teacher. What is 555 minus 504, which is equals to 51? Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this basic approach and where we can solve this question by using this conventional process. Okay, but okay, solving these and multiplying these values will take a lot of time and it will eat a lot of time in competitive exams. So I will teach you one best shortcut for solving these type of questions. Okay, you can get answer within seconds. Okay, now everyone try to understand this shortcut. Okay, first what you need to do is, okay, left side we need to write count. Okay, left side we need to write count. Remember this, left side we are writing count, and right side we need to write average. Right side we need to write average. Left side is count and right side is average. As this was the first question, I'm writing all this terminology. Okay, but for the next questions we are going to solve the questions just by directly writing the values. Okay, so first we need to write count and average. Now initially in the class, total how much is the count? 36 students is the count. Okay, now for 36 students count, what will be the average? Can I write it as 14, which was clearly given in the question? 36 students count was 14. Now when teacher's age is included, okay, when teacher's age is included means count will become 37. Yes, clear. Now count will become 37. Why? Because teacher is also getting added in the class. Now what will be the average? Average is increases by 1. Okay, average is increases by 1. Initially it is 14. Now what will be the value? It will be 15. And I hope you all are clear with this terminology. It is not as difficult to understand. Okay, so here what I'm doing is 36 students, average is 14 years, and teacher's age included, it will become 37. Average is increased by 1 means it will be 15. And this approach, by using this approach, we are going to solve remaining questions. Okay, so everyone just pay attention to this shortcut. Okay, how we are writing the values. Okay, which is very simple. 36 students, average is 14. 37 students, sorry, 37 members including teacher, average is 15. Now very simple, what you need to do is take the difference left side and right side. That's it. Okay, first step. Okay, here you need to be very careful about from 36 to 37. It is plus 1. Symbol is very, very important, whether it is plus or minus. Okay, for some questions they may give the value decreasing value. At that time we need to take negative value. Okay, so here plus 1, and here 14 to 15. Can I say here also plus 1? So this is the first step after writing that. Okay, we need to take the difference on left side and right side. Whatever the difference here, first to difference, we need to multiply with last number. Okay, what's the last number we have written here? Okay, last number is plus 1. We need to multiply with 15. So what is 1 into 15? 15. Right here, 15 plus 15. Okay, plus 15. Symbol is very, very important. Now next difference, already one difference is done. Now only one more difference is left out. Next difference is also plus 1. This one we need to multiply with first number. Okay, remember here this difference multiplied with last number. Last number is 15. Okay, now this difference multiplied with first number. First number is 36. So plus 1 into 36 is nothing but plus 36. That's it. Okay, what is 15 plus 36? Answer is 51. Okay, we are done with the question. And what is this 51 means? From 36 to 37, count is increasing, right? How much count is increasing? One person is increasing. That one person age is nothing but 51. And I hope you all are clear with this shortcut. Okay, yes, I will explain again. Okay, see here, first step we need to write count. 36 members, average is 14 years. And next 37 members are there including teacher, average will become 15 years. So first take the difference on both sides. First difference multiplied with last number, and this shortcut is going to apply for almost all the questions. Okay, so first difference we are multiplying with last number. Next difference we are multiplying with first number. So 1 multiplied with 15 will gives you 15, and next difference multiplied with 36 will gives you 36. So 15 plus 36, 51. This will be the age of that extra added person. Who is adding extra? Teacher. So that's what we need to find. What is the teacher's age? 51. So option D is correct. And I hope you all are clear. Solve next question. Okay, now we are going to solve all the questions by using shortcut. Okay, and I hope you understood the normal approach, multiplying with all the numbers. That will take a lot of time. Here in this shortcut, we are saving a lot of time actually in competitive exams. Okay, the average of 5 employees age is 27. If one employee is excluded, you need to be very careful here whether they are adding the member or removing the member. Okay, the average becomes 25. Find the age of excluded one. Okay, now same approach we are following here. Total how many members are there? How many employees are there? Total 5 employees. Count. Okay, count is 5. What will be the average age? Average age of 5 employees is 27. Now 5 employees count, 27 is the average. Okay, now next, one employee is excluded. What's the meaning of excluded? Means we are removing one person out of 5 employees. Now in the second step only 4 employees are there because one employee is excluded. Excluded means removing. Removing means -1. Okay, now what will be the average of 4 members? Now average becomes 25. Because of that, average is also getting decreased. How much it got decreased? -2 it is getting decreased. Okay, again I repeat, symbols are very very important, whether it is +1 or -1, +2 or -2. Okay, based on that we will get correct answer. Instead of taking plus, if you will take minus, you will end up with wrong answer. Okay, so be very careful when you are considering symbols. Okay, now here almost first step is done, taking difference on both sides. What we need to do with this difference? This difference multiplied with last number. Okay, okay, what is 1 -1 into 25? -25. Okay, now next difference we need to multiply with first number. What is the first number? 5. Okay, so -2 into 5, -10. So what is -25 -10? -35. At the final output, whatever answer you got, now neglect minus. Why? Because age cannot be negative. Okay, so neglect minus. Now final answer is 35. So option B is correct. See guys, whatever the shortcut that I told to you, okay, this will be applicable even if the person is getting added, or if the person is getting removed, or if the person is replacing. Okay, most probably these three types of questions will be given in various competitive exams. Okay, even if you are preparing for placements, okay, most probably the questions will be given in these three categories. Either the person is getting added, or person is removed, or person is replaced. Okay, but they may change different set of conditions in the questions, but if you understand the logic, you can solve it in within 1 minute. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this question, and we'll try to solve next question. Okay, now if you observe this question here, the average weight of 6 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 45 kg. What is the weight of new person? Okay, if you read the question, actually this question is also as simple as like previous questions what we solved. Okay, the average weight of 6 persons increased by 2.5 kg. Okay, when increased by 2.5 kg, when a person comes in place of one, okay, means we need to understand from this statement. Okay, here the question is not about removing or not about adding. Here one person comes in place of other. In place of other means the person is getting replaced. Okay, initially how many members are there? Actually they have given it as 6 members. Average weight of 6 members increases by 2.5 kg. We don't know what is average of 6 members. Average of 6 members, I'm just taking it as x. Why? Because we are not concentrating on x value, we are only focusing on the differences, right? So we can consider it as x, or if you want you can consider it as n, whatever it is, you can consider any variable in this place. Why? Because we don't know average of 6 members. Now when a new person comes in place of one, okay, now here if you observe, let us consider for your better understanding, I'm just writing A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, total 6 members are there. Okay, 6 members are there. Average, I'm assuming it as X. Now, again here, next one also having 6 members. Why? Because if one person is getting replaced, let us consider, okay, A is replacing, I mean, N is replacing A. Okay, in place of A, N comes into the picture. Now, remaining members are same, right? B, C, D, E, and F. Remaining all members are same. So, here, because of the person N is replacing A, okay, average is increased by 2.5 kgs. Now, here, what will be the average? X plus 2.5. Can I say X plus 2.5? Why? Because from previous to here, average is getting increased by 2.5 kgs plus 2.5 increases, right? So we need to take plus. Now if you consider left hand side difference, can you tell me the difference here? 6 and 6, what's the difference? 0. Okay, always do remember, for getting increased or decreased, a person is adding or removing, difference will change. Okay, the count will change. But when the person is replacing, who suppose let's consider in the first case 6 members are there, second case also 6 members, so difference will become 0 in replacement problems. You need to remember this very carefully. So difference is 0. Okay, now we'll follow the same approach here. Before solving or multiplying this, let me give you one simple logic here. Previously 6 members average is x. Okay, next case 6 members average is x plus 2.5, means second case average is getting increased when compared to first case. Okay, from this logic we can easily understand, from first case to second case average is increasing, means here a, and here next case n is there, n is replacing a. Okay, can you guess whose weight is more, either A or N? Of course, N weight is more than A. N weight is more than A. Here we need to find by applying our shortcut how much more it is. Okay, why? How I can say N weight is more than A? Very simple. Here, when A is there, average is X. Okay, remaining here average is getting changed only because of replacement of A and N. Okay, because remaining B, C, D, E, F are constant. Okay, because of these members there is no change in average. Okay, same members are there in the second case and first case, but here how average is getting changed means it's just because of replacement of n and a. Okay, in first A is there, second N is there. So second case average is increased, means for sure I can say that N weight is more than A. Whatever it is, A's weight, N weight is more. Okay, so now we'll try to solve by using our shortcut. Left side difference is 0. Correct? Left side difference is 0. Now left side difference is 0 means if you multiply 0 with the last number, 0 multiplied with any number will gives you 0. Okay, so no need to worry about the value of x. So now what's the next difference? 2.5. Now this difference we need to multiply with first number. So 2.5 into 6. What is 2.5 multiplied with 6? 6 2 times is 12, 0.5 times 6 is 3. So it is 15. So answer is 15. If you consider answer is 15, if you check options, options is not there. Okay, there is no option with 15. Okay, now what is this 15 indicates? You need to understand very carefully. Directly, if you don't consider 15 is your answer. Now here I have said n is more than, n weight is more than a. Okay, n weight is more than a. Now how much more means here 15 kgs more. 15 kgs more. You need to be very careful about this. Here how much it is more means 15 kgs more. Okay, now here if you observe, okay, when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 45 kgs. Now one of them weighing 45 kgs means already a weight is 45 given. Okay, already a weight is 45 given. Now we need to find n weight. Okay, how much more it is? 15 kgs more. So initially a weight is 45 plus 15 kgs more means it will be 60. So n weight is 60. So directly we can say answer is 60. Okay, here for your understanding I have taken a b c d e all the variables, but in exam you can directly, if you have good practice on the shortcut, directly you can take the difference and you can tell that answer 45 plus 15 is equals to 60. So option C is correct. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this question. Okay, next we'll go with the next one. Okay, here just pause the video and try to solve it by your own. Take your time. In this question there are 20 students in a class. So 20 students in the class, their average weight is 25 kgs. Here directly we can write 20 students are there in a class. Okay, what is their average? 25 kgs. If when one student leaves the class, average weight reduces by 100 grams. Okay, average weight is reduces by 100 grams. Okay, don't get confused here. Previously 20 members, average is 25 kgs. Okay, now one student leaves the class, means removed. Now what will be the count will become 19. So the average is reduces by 100 grams. Initially 25 kgs are there, reduce 100 grams. Okay, reduce 100 grams means can I write it as 0.1 kg? 0.1 kg is nothing but 100 grams. Okay, I'm just converting grams to kgs. And I hope you all know that 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg. Okay, based on that, 100 grams means 0.1 kg. Now the average weight will become 24.9 kgs. Hope you all are clear with this. Okay, now the process is same. Okay, why it is 24.9 means average is reducing by 100 grams. 100 grams means 0.1 kg. Okay, now take the difference on both sides. Here it is -1, here it is minus 0.1 kg. What is -1? What's the step? -1 multiplied with 24.9, it will become 24 minus 24.9. Here minus 0.1, minus 0.1 multiplied with first number, it is nothing but -2. Okay, so minus 0.1 into 20 is nothing but -2. That's it. So what's the final answer? Minus 24.9 minus 2, which is equals to minus 26.9. For the final answer, neglect negative value, and that will be your final answer. So option C is correct. Okay, so this is how the questions will be asked in exams. Okay, don't bother about whether they have given kgs or grams. Okay, units, if you know the conversion of units, it's a matter of seconds time to convert it and get the solution in a shortcut. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this question as well, and we'll try to solve next question. Before watching the solution for this question, okay, let's stop the video and try by your own. Okay, later you can watch your solution is correct or not. Okay, the average temperature for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was 40 degrees Celsius. The average for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday was 41 degrees Celsius. If the temperature on Thursday be 42 degrees Celsius, find the temperature on Monday. Okay, now see here, just terminology they have given is changed, but approach whatever we are following will follow the same approach to get that answer. Now average temperature of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So far we solve based on the count, I mean the students or employees, but here they have given weekdays. Okay, but we are following the same approach, no need to worry about it. Total how many days they have given? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days average temperature is 40 degrees. Okay, 3 days average temperature is 40 degrees. If you observe here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm writing days as well on the left side. Okay, 3 days average temperature is 40 degrees. The average for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, again the count is 3. Okay, now if the count is same, can I say this problem falls under the replacement one? Yes, of course, replacement problems. Now for average of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 41 degrees. Now if you observe the same count, but days is getting changed. Okay, what is the days in the second one? It is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Correct. Now if you observe, Tuesday and Wednesday is same in the first and second case. Tuesday and Wednesday is same in the first and second case. Now where the average is getting changed, average is increased by 1 degree. Correct, average is increased by 1 degree. Now if average is getting increased by 1 degree means because of replacement of Monday and Thursday. You need to understand this logic. Why? Because first case Tuesday, Wednesday, and second case Tuesday, Wednesday are same. Okay, why difference in this average means because of replacing Monday and Thursday. If you understand this logic, it's a matter of, and can you guess what I mean, which day temperature will be more, either Monday or Thursday? When we compare to Monday and Thursday, okay, which temperature is more? You can easily guess. How you can guess easily? Here, temperature is getting increased when Monday is there in the first case, it is just 40. When Thursday is there in the second case, it is 41. Now, can I say that Thursday temperature is more than Monday? Okay, can I say that Thursday temperature is more when compared to Monday? So here we have Monday temperature, and here we have Thursday temperature. Okay, already given that the temperature on Thursday was 42. Okay, 42 degrees is the temperature on Thursday. What we need to find? We need to find just the temperature on Monday. For sure, answer will be, see here, if you observe options, okay, just no need to solve the question. By understanding this logic, okay, Thursday temperature is more than Monday. Okay, so can I cancel? Already we know that temperature on Thursday is 42. You can eliminate options. Okay, you can eliminate options which are more than 42. Why? Because we need to calculate temperature on Monday. For sure, Monday temperature will be less than 42. Okay, Monday temperature will be less than 42. If you observe option B, I can eliminate option B. Why? Because it can't be 42. It should be less than 42. Okay, so our answer should be either 40 or 38 or 39. Okay, now we'll see what will be the correct answer. Now difference is 0 here. 0 multiplied with any value will gives you 0, plus 1 into 3 will gives you 3. Okay, now from Monday, if I add plus 3, it will become 42. Okay, already 42 is given Thursday. Okay, which value adding with 3 will gives you 42? Yes, or else you can go with reverse. 42 minus 3 will gives you answer on Monday temperature. Okay, or you can come with which value adding with 3 will gives you 42, which is nothing but 39. Okay, why? Because 39 plus 3 will gives you 42. So answer is 39. So what's the temperature on Monday means 39. Okay, it is as, and I hope you all are clear. It is as simple as like previous questions. Okay, just only thing you need to understand here, replacement problems. Sometimes they will give you adding, sometimes they are removing the members or replacing the members. But the approach and the concept what we are going through is same. Okay, now we'll try to solve next question. Okay, just pause this video for some time and try to solve it by your own. The better way of learning is trying by your own. Okay, if you're not for completion of your solution, just cross check whether your solution is correct or not. Okay, average temperature for Monday to Wednesday was 37 degrees. Average for Tuesday to Thursday was 34 degrees Celsius. If the temperature on Thursday was 4 by 5 times of Monday, then what was the temperature on Thursday? Okay, it is almost similar to the previous question, but just only condition, instead of giving direct temperature on the day, they have given one condition that temperature on Thursday was 4 by 5 times of Monday. Okay, remaining everything is same. So here average temperature for Monday to Wednesday. Monday to Wednesday means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Total how many days we have? 3 days. Okay, 3 days temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Now average for Tuesday to Thursday means Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Again 3 days temperature is 34 degrees. Now here, just based on these values, we need to understand. Okay, here Tuesday, Wednesday constant, Tuesday, Wednesday constant. Only Monday and Thursday is getting replaced. Now what is the temperature, average temperature? Here average temperature is decreasing by 3 degrees. Now can I say that here, when Monday is the average temperature is 37 degrees, when Thursday is their average temperature is 34 degrees. Now can I say that Monday temperature is more than Thursday now? Okay, because when Monday is there, average is 37, Thursday is there, average is 34 degrees. Okay, now we need to find how much more it is. Okay, already they have given condition. Thursday temperature is 4 by 5 times of Monday temperature. Okay, just be very clear about this. Okay, Thursday temperature is 4 by 5 times of Monday temperature. This is one condition given. Okay, remember this condition. Now we'll follow our same approach. Okay, here whatever it is Monday and here it is Thursday. Okay, this is for Monday, I'm writing it aside, this is for Thursday, and we need to find how much more it is or how much less it is. This depends on our shortcut. Okay, 0 multiplied with 34 will gives you 0, and minus 3 degrees multiplied with 3 will gives you 9. Okay, is that plus 9 or minus 9? It is, which is most important, minus 9. Okay, now here minus 9. Okay, here it should be minus 9. Monday temperature is more than Thursday. How much more means? It is 9 more than. Can I write from this logic, Monday temperature and Thursday's temperature difference is 9? Okay, from our logic, okay, here without writing this condition, we can't find the value. Okay, here why I'm writing 9 means Monday and Thursday temperature difference is 9. That's what we have find it out by using our shortcut. And one more condition we have from the given statement, Thursday temperature was 4 by 5 times than of Monday. Okay, so from this Monday and Thursday temperature is 9, and just substitute Thursday is equals to 4 by 5 times of Monday. Okay, you will get Monday's temperature. Monday, okay, we need to find Thursday's temperature, right? So when we want to find Thursday's temperature, of course we need to write, okay, we need to eliminate Monday. Okay, when in order to decrease the steps, I can write it as Monday's temperature is 5 by 4 times of Thursday. Okay, so instead of Monday, just write it as 5 by 4 times of Thursday. Minus Thursday is equals to 9. Okay, no need to write this M. Okay, now we will get the value of Thursday. So what is, if you'll take LCM, LCM will be 4. Okay, 5 times of Thursday minus 4 times of Thursday is equals to 9. So Thursday temperature is 9. 5 times of Thursday minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Means Thursday is equals to 9. 4 times is 36 degrees. Thursday temperature is 36 degrees. That's it. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this, but this is very simple. Okay, when compared to the previous one, here only logic you need to understand why we need to write Thursday and Monday's temperature difference is 9. Okay, this is the only logic we need to understand when compared to the previous questions. In the previous questions, they have directly given, and this question they have just given one condition. Okay, but approach whatever we are following is same. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with the solution, and we'll go with the next question. Yeah, average weight of three men A, B, C is 84 kgs. Another man D joins the group and the average becomes 80 kg. If another man E, whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D, replaces A, average weight of B, C, D, E becomes 79. Find the weight of A. Okay, see here, there are many conditions given in the question, but it is not difficult question. Okay, if you know the shortcut, even you can use a shortcut for this question. Okay, first try to understand and then solve. Okay, the average weight of three men is A, B, C is 84 kgs. First, it was very clear. Total three men are there. Average weight is 84 kgs. Average weight 84 kgs. Okay, who all are those? I'm writing it side A, B, C. Okay, total three members are there. Average weight is 84 kgs. Now, another man D joins the group. Here, if you understand this condition, okay, here adding the members. Okay, when D joins, initially A, B, C are there. Now D also join. Now, if D joins, can you tell me what will be the count? Total 4. Okay, when D joins a group, average becomes 80 kgs. Average becomes 80 kgs. Okay, now another condition is given. Okay, if another man E whose weight is 3 kg more than D. Okay, another man E whose weight is 3 kgs more than D. Okay, replaces A. Means here who is replacing A? E is replacing A. Okay, if you observe, another man E whose weight is 3 kgs more than that of D. Okay, that condition we will discuss it next. First, we'll write who all are replacing and who all are adding. Okay, now E is replacing A. Remaining members are same. B, C, D. Okay, remaining members are same. Now the count will not change in the third statement. Average is 79 kgs. And I hope you all are clear how I have written all these conditions. It is very simple now. Okay, here two set of questions clubbed together to give are given in this question. Okay, initially we solve individual questions, person added or person removed and person replacing. But in this question, two questions are clubbed together. Okay, first set. Okay, if you observe this first set, okay, what did you understand in this first set? First set of conditions, person is adding. We'll follow the same approach. Okay, here plus 1 and here how much is the weight? Minus 4. You need to be very, very careful about the symbols. Minus 4. Here it is plus 1. Now you know the process, right? Minus 1. Okay, this difference we need to multiply with 80. Plus 1 into 80 will gives you plus 80, and minus 4 into 3 will gives you minus 12. Okay, what is plus 80 minus 12, which is equals to 68? What is the 68 kg? 68 kg is a weight of the newly added person who added new, which is equals to D. Now I can say that D's weight is 68 kgs, and I hope you all are clear with this. Okay, now if you read the second line in the question, another man E whose weight is 3 kgs more than D. Okay, another man E whose weight is 3 kgs more than D. Okay, 3 kgs more than D means already we know the weight of D is 68 kgs, and what will be the weight of E? 3 kgs more than D. Okay, means 3 plus 68, which is equals to 71. Okay, already we got to know that weight of D and also weight of E, 71 kgs. Now, okay, now first and second condition are clear. Now we'll consider second and third one. Okay, now we have to consider already one set of question is completed. Now we need to do with second set of question. Now what is the second set of question? Four members average is 80, and next also four members here replacement problems. So difference will become zero. Okay, so 0 multiplied with 79 will give you 0 only. So no need to consider that. And here how much is the weight? -1. Okay, when it is replacement problems, we should be very clear who is replacing whom. Okay, now E is replacing A, correct? So now we need to identify, okay, whether E's weight is more or A's weight is more. Okay, if A weight is more than E, we need to also identify how much more it is by applying our normal shortcut. Now from this it was very clear that when A is there in the list, 80 kgs is the average. When E is there in the list, 79 kgs is the average. So of course I can say that A's weight is more than E. Okay, if A's weight is more than E, we can already know that, okay, what will be the weight already given, that E's weight is 71 kgs. If E weight is 71 kgs, already we know that A's weight is more than E. How much more it is? We will get that value by using our shortcut. -1 into 4 will gives you -4. So -4, we need to write it as -4. From which value if you decrease -4 to get 71? Of course it is 75. Why? Because 75 minus 4 will gives you 71. So I can say that A's weight is 75 kgs, and I hope you all are clear with this. So answer option C. Option C, 75 kgs. Are you clear about this? Yes. Okay, now we'll try to solve the next question. When the average age of husband, wife, and their son was 42 years. Okay, the son got married and a child was born just 1 year after their marriage. When child turned to be 5 years, then the average of the family become 36 years. What was the age of daughter-in-law at the time of marriage? Which is one of the very, very important question. Okay, and also it was, this question was asked in SSC 2005. Okay, so everyone just give a try. Okay, just pause the video, just try to solve that question. Their average age of husband, wife, and their son. Total how many members are there? Total three members are there. Who all are those? Husband, wife, and son. Husband, wife, and son. Three members are there. Average age is 42 years. Average age is 42 years. The son got married and a child was born. Okay, just after 1 year of their marriage. Okay, so if son got married, okay, for sure daughter-in-law will enters into their home, and also the son was a child was born after 1 year of their marriage. Okay, now the child turned to be 5 years. Okay, marriage is done. After 1 year, child was born. When the child turns to 5 years, average age of the family became 36 years. You need to understand this logic very clear. Now here total how many members became? Five members. Who all are those five members? Husband, wife, son, and daughter-in-law enters into the home when son married, and also child. So total five members are there now. Five members average is 36 years. Okay, now if you write these statements here in this way and if you will apply the shortcut, you will not get correct answer. Okay, why? Means I will tell you the reason. If you have tried this, Okay, if you would have tried this question, okay, by applying directly a shortcut, you will end up with wrong answer. Okay, the reason behind this is here three members average is 42 years. When these three members average is 42 years at the initial stage, if you understand this line diagram, okay, let me draw the timeline. Okay, initially who all are there? Okay, husband, wife, son. Okay, initially three members are there. Okay, now son got married. Son got married. Now daughter-in-law enters into the home. Now total four members are there. Okay, now total four members are there. 1 year completed. Let us consider this line is nothing but 1 year. Now 1 year completed. Now who all are there in the home? Husband, wife, son, daughter-in-law, and one child. So total five members are there after 1 year. Correct. Now let's consider they have given clearly when child turns to be 5 years. Here in this particular line, child born, when child turns to be 5 years means of course all members age will increase by 5 years. Now this here also they have given average after 5 years is 36 years. Okay, after 5 years is 36 years. But what is this 42 years average? At the starting itself, starting is 42 years. Okay, but 36 is the average after how many years? 1 year completed here and 5 years completed. After 6 years, okay, after 6 years average is 36. Okay, after 6 years five members average is 36. Before 6 years only three members are there, three members average is 42 given. But how can you compare these two equations, or how can you take shortcut for these two equations on different time intervals? We can't take this shortcut for these time intervals, but this shortcut is applicable for this question just by changing one small condition. Here we should not take 42 years, because here this 36 years is after 6 years. Okay, after 6 years average is 36. So here we need to consider present age. Present average is 42 years means after 6 years it will become 48. After 6 years it will become 48. Okay, then you will get correct answer if you will take after 6 years it is 48. Okay, let me erase this and let me try to solve it by, okay, okay, now, and I hope you all are clear with the condition. Okay, so listen. Now initially total how many members are there? Husband, wife, and son. Okay, total three members are there. Average is actually it is 42, but after 6 years we need to consider, so it is 48. I'm writing it at the side, 42 at present. Okay, 42 at present, but after 6 years means we need to write it as plus 6. So it is 42 plus 6 is 48. Okay, now next, now we can compare at the same time. Either you should increase 6 years here, or you can decrease 6 from the second condition. Okay, but we should make sure that both conditions should be in the at the same time. Now five members are there. After 6 years five members average is 36 years. Why I'm taking after 6 years means, remember, if you consider the present scenario, first initially only husband, wife, and child and son is there. Only three members are there. Okay, son got married, daughter-in-law came into the picture. Now after 1 year child was born. After 1 year child was born means we need to consider this entire 1 year. Okay, now when the at the time child born, they have considered the child turned to be 5 years, means already by the time of child born 1 year completed. So again child turned to be 5 years means 1 plus 5, total 6 years we need to consider. That's the reason here we have taken plus 6. Okay, now we can complete. Okay, now we can complete here. How what are who all are the five numbers? Husband, wife, son, daughter-in-law, and child. Total five members. Okay, so if you observe first case and second case, husband, wife, son, these three members are same. If you observe first and second case, these three members are same. Who all are newly added people? Daughter-in-law and child, new baby. Okay, so here what's the difference? Plus 2. And here what's the difference? If you observe this difference, what's the difference? Here it is 12. Okay, plus or minus? Minus 12. You should be very careful about the difference. Okay, now here difference is plus 2. Plus 2 multiplied with 36. What is plus 2 multiplied with 36? Plus 72. Okay, minus 12 multiplied with first number. 2 minus 12 into 3, 36. Minus 36. What is 72 minus 36? Answer is 36. But here what we need to find, check it in the question. Okay, what is the age of daughter-in-law at the time of marriage? Okay, what's the age of daughter-in-law at the time of marriage? We know that. What is this 36? Here how many members are added? Okay, daughter-in-law plus child. Okay, daughter-in-law and child total age will be 36. Okay, but what we need to find? Only daughter-in-law's age at the time of marriage. Okay, now child age is, okay, can I say that child age is 5 years? When this sum daughter-in-law age and child age is 36. Okay, here the sum of child and daughter-in-law's age is 36. So child age is 5. We need to decrease 5 from daughter-in-law. So total 5 plus 5, 10. So 36 minus 10. Okay, why? Because at the time of marriage means, of course, child would have not been born. So we need to decrease the age of child. When we are decreasing age of child, of course, we need to take back to the daughter-in-law's age also. That's the reason we are decreasing minus 5 and minus 5 from the daughter-in-law's age and child's age. So 36 minus 10 will gives you 26. Okay, now 26 is not correct. Don't directly select option. Answer A is 26. 26 is wrong, because when this 26 is daughter-in-law's, okay, when this 26 is daughter-in-law's age, after completion of 1 year at the time of marriage. Okay, we just reduced only child's age is 5 years, so reduced 5 years from daughter-in-law's age and child's age. Okay, but when child was born after 1 year of their marriage, so we need to reduce 1 year from 26, right? So 26 minus 1 will gives you 25. So answer is 25, not 26. Okay, so you should be very careful about this. So option B is 25 years. Okay, here the logic is simple, but here they have given difficult set of conditions. Okay, when we are solving this question, we need to make sure that this shortcut will be applicable when we have considered the same time. Okay, if you will directly take it as 42, you will end up with wrong answer. Be careful about this condition. Okay, and you just practice similar type of questions. Okay, so that you will get more knowledge on these type of questions. Why? Because in competitive exams they may ask it in different set of questions by giving different set of conditions. Okay, only thing we need to do is we just need to understand conditions clearly. Okay, hope you all are clear with this question. Now we'll try to solve next question. Average age of 11 players of a cricket team is decreased by 2 months when two of them aged 17 years and 20 years are replaced by two new players. The average age of the new player is. Okay, question is quite simple, but so far we have solved. Okay, one person is replacing, on one person is getting added, or one person is getting removed, okay, from the list. But if you observe this question, what actually the difference between this question and the previous questions what we have solved is, in the previous one it is just only one person is removed and replaced. Okay, but in this question two members are getting replaced. Okay, but do you think that this question will be the difficult when compared to the previous? Of course no. Okay, so it is as simple as like previous questions. You just stop the video and try to solve it by your own. Okay, the average age of 11 players of a cricket team is decreased by 2 months when two of them aged 17 years and 20 years are replaced. Now how many members are there? 11 members are there in a cricket team. We don't know that average. You can consider it as X or N. Already we have solved similar type of question. Now in next case also 11 members are there, but here it is decreasing by 2 months, minus 2 months. Okay, or you can take it as like X minus 2, whatever it is. If you will consider X months, X minus 2 months. Okay, X years, you can consider it as years. Okay, so it's completely your wish, but we need to we are only focusing on months. Okay, now what's the difference here? 0. Okay, how many members are replacing? 1 and 2. Remaining 9 members remaining 9 members are same. In the cricket team, remaining 9 members are same. Only 2 members are getting replaced. Okay, already they have given that when two of them aged 17 years, okay, and 20 years. Okay, first person, let us consider 17 years, second person 20 years, are getting replaced. Okay, are getting replaced by new players, two new players. Remaining 9 players are same. Okay, now because of that, average is decreasing by 2 months. Okay, now I can easily say that by this logic, okay, average is decreasing means for sure, okay, starting whoever the players are there, their age is more than the new players age, correct? Okay, because here new players age is less, that's the reason here average is getting decreased just by simple logic. Okay, now average of new players is very simple, 0 multiplied with, okay, this value will gives you 0. Okay, so no need to bother about the value of x. So minus 2 into 11 will gives you minus 22 months. Okay, here you need to be very careful. Some values given in months and some values given in years. So we need to be very careful about either it is months or years. Okay, now what is this 22 months? Minus 22 means we need to reduce minus 22 months from the previous age place. Okay, whatever the age of the previous place we have, we need to reduce minus 22 months. Already age of the previous place given it as 17 years and 20 years, correct? So what is 17 plus 20, which is equals to 37 years? 17 plus 20 is 37 years. Now from 37 years we need to reduce 22 months. Okay, now I'm converting 22 months in years. Okay, actually we know that 2 years is nothing but 24 months, right? Okay, 2 years is nothing but 24 months, but here only 22 months. So 1 year 10 months. Okay, we need to reduce 1 year 10 months means, of course, answer is if you reduce 22 months from 37 years, answer will be 35 years 2 months, correct? 35 years 2 months. What is this 35 years 2 months? If you reduce 37 minus 22, so whatever it may be the place we have, their sum of their ages is 35. If I add these two new players age, 35 years 2 months. Okay, 35 years 2 months. Okay, now you can get answer simply by looking at that options. Okay, I will tell you how we can do it. Okay, now we need to find average, right? Average age of the nucleus. Average age of the nucleus means we know average is nothing but sum divided by n. Okay, how many players we have? Two players. Okay, but also we know sum. Okay, we know sum is nothing but 35 years 2 months divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2 will gives you average. Okay, 35 years 2 months divided by 2 will gives you average. That's what your final answer. Okay, so how many times 35? 35 means here it will be 17.5 years, 17.5 years, and 35 will go with 1 month. Okay, here 17.5 years and 2 will goes 1 times, right? So 1 month. So 17.5 year and 1 month is the final answer. But if you observe, they have given 17 years and this 0.5 years also converted to months. So finally 17 years. Okay, 17.5 means 17 and a half years. Okay, 0.5 years means 6 months. Half year is nothing but 6 months, right? The 6 months plus 1 month. So how many months? 7 months. So 17 years 7 months. So option B is correct. Okay, or else directly you can guess which option is correct in this step itself. No need to do a sum divided by n, because here total sum is nothing but 35 years 2 months, right? Here average is given in the options. Okay, if I will add 2 times of this average, that will give us a sum. Okay, what is 17 years 1 month 2 times? It is nothing but 34 years 2 months, but 34 years 2 months is wrong. Okay, now if I will add 2 times b, okay, 17 years 7 months 2 times. Okay, 17 years 2 times is 34 years, 7 months 2 times is 14 months. 14 months means again 1 year 2 months, right? So 34 plus 1, 35 years 2 months. So from here itself I can guess option B is correct, and none of the options are getting satisfied with my sum of the age of new two players. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this question. Okay, so this is all about, like, we have solved good and enough number of questions on averages. Okay, and if you have any doubts and any explanations of any other questions, okay, keep post your questions or your doubts in the comment section, so we'll try to make one video on your doubts. Okay, thank you everyone.